Hi, everybody. My name is Haley Nayad, and together with my presenter Rajanak, we'll be talking about the multi-country study on inclusive education and the way in which our team uses technology to conduct our project evaluation. Specifically, we conduct an evaluation of all children reading in Cambodia to understand methods that support teaching and learning outcomes for children with disabilities in diverse contexts, particularly focused on inclusive education. To conduct this evaluation, we have used a number of methods, as you can see in the visual here, but you can also see that I've circled all of the methods that have been adversely impacted by the COVID pandemic. In other words, the methods that we've had to change or adapt because of our inability to collect most data in person. So I will turn it over to my colleague Rajanak now to tell you more about what strategies we've used to maintain a use of technology to support our evaluation work, particularly in a remote and pandemic responsive context. Over to you, Rajanak.
Yes, thank you, Haley. Hello, everyone. My name is mEducation. I'm from Cambodia Disabled People Organization. And this slide, I would like to say about some point that we are using for strategy to conduct the evaluation remotely. So as you see in the slide, we have 3 points. So we use Zoom, Telegram, Skype, or phone call to conduct the interview because we know that we cannot meeting face by face. So we use the technology to implement to our activity. We are not technology expert, but we try on our best to use technology to make sure that everything is going smoothly by our technology. And we also, as you know, that me from Cambodia and my partner from USAID in abroad. So sometimes we have challenges on the time zone. So sometimes we need to make sure that everything is going fine with the time zone, and we try on. It's not easy for us to conduct the meeting each other, but we honestly we try to implement and to conduct the meeting, follow up anything about the activity. And also we use the COBOL toolbox to analyze data or to data entry, and also this is the way to conduct the rapid analysis. And who's know the thing has changed, so we never think that we have a COVID. So we use the technology during the COVID-19 pandemic. And also next slide, please. So this is our success in the remote data collection that IDP and also the CDPO, we also conduct the visual training of trainers session. So it means that we try our best to build our team, that data collector, to make sure that everything is going to deliver with quality. And also this means that IDP training to me, and then I need to transfer my knowledge to my data collector team. So everything is in English. So it's not my first language, it's my second language. So I try our best to implement that. And also we think about the CDPO is demonstrate adaptive management to location interviewee. So we give the opportunity or decision to the interviewee to reschedule their time to allow us to conduct the interview with them. Sometimes it spend like 1 or 2 days, or we keep calling 3 or 5 times a day to make sure that they pick up and they answer our question. So some of the organization might be they give up the time because it's because the interviewee is not pick up. So but honestly myself is like try on our best to make sure that the interviewee is pick up the phone and answer our question. And also one more thing is like the as I use, because we are going to the face-to-face in the provinces, so we use the video that we are record from another organization to conduct the testing with our team, that we are going, example, we going to cloud observation, so we are not going to test in the provinces. So we going to watch the video to conduct the testing with our team. One more thing when we're talking about the accessibility, so honestly, when we going to the province, sometimes it's really challenging about us because we are a person with disability. The toilet is not accessible, the ramp, we are no ramp, the building, no accessibility. So we make a phone call, it's easy for us because we don't need to go anywhere, we just go in office or we doing in our home, it's easy for us. And also during that time, we also prepare ourselves like that. We know that when we go face to face, sometimes the people or the interviewee might be saying something that is fake regarding to the language, but we conduct the phone call. It means that they don't know us about disability. So sometimes they not sometimes, honestly, they are always going to say something that discrimination through the phone with our interview. So we know that a lot of teacher, a lot of school director might be lack of disability law. So we know, and then we plan to conduct the build their capacity about this disability in Cambodia. Thank you. So next slide to Hallie.
After the current work we're doing with remote interviewing, we do hope to do school visits, depending on when schools reopen. We also plan to adapt our household survey methods from an in-person to a phone or web-based pilot approach. And we do intend to conduct final interviews with government and project staff, which are likely to be conducted remotely, again, given the pandemic conditions. So thank you so much for joining our presentation, and we hope you enjoyed speaking with us. Thank you so much.